Good. Loosen it more. Say I.
Oh my God. Damn. Shit. Woo. Oh, that was that spot. Oh, baby, I owe you for this.
A real one.
We're about to make me cry.
Don't cry. I ain't gonna cry, trust me. I want to, but I'm not. Just years of just pain, just, that was wonderful.
Just let it drop.
Whoa.
No, just let it go. Let it go. Beautiful.
So loud.
It is loud.
How did it feel?
That was good.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Let it all go.
Oh my God. I didn't even know that part of me could crack.
Hit a spot here that's really tender. That's the one I want to focus on, okay? Once we adjust it, that's going to just let go of it. It'll adjust really well. Perfect. Right in there is where I'm feeling. And let it all go. You're going to feel me come down with you.
Oh.
Perfect.
Wow.
You're cracking already. Nice deep breath in. And all the way out. All the way out. And just let it all go. There we go. To the table. Wow.
I've never felt anything like that.
That was so good.
Oh my gosh.
How did it feel?
So weird.
Yeah. Did it get you all the way down?
Yeah.
Awesome. I'll just let your drop. Let it fall to my hand. Wow.
What?
That was so big.
Oh, that was.
That was incredible.
What?
Just like, beautiful. Way down. Nice that shoulder there. And just let it go. Wow. Holy smokes. Very nice. All the way out. Just let it all go. Perfect.
The woman
So I'm
was
going to
too
start writing
stunned
this
to
in the back,
speak.
okay? So a nice deep breath in. And all the way out. Just let it all out. Perfect. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. That was a good one.
Yeah, that felt really good.
Yeah, that was it right there. Slide back on the table there.
So he couldn't turn his head for 3+ years.
Let your head fall in here.
Oh my God. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Really? Oh, couldn't look that way. Look.
I know.
3 years, man.
3 years.
I will sleep good today.
Nervous.
Yeah, she is nervous. She is tense. And she's on video.
Oh no.
It's like the double. It's like the double whammy here. You comfy like this? Sink it down. Exhale all the way. Keep it going.
Wow.
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 That was good.
Wow.
It's a good start. We're doing good. Sink it. Ooh. Fall, you okay like this?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm just gonna do a little bit here. There you go.
Just a little bit.
That was a lot of it. Yeah, you gotta relax your leg though. Just maybe close your eyes. You know.
Okay.
There it is. That was big. And good.
Am I taller?
It's already popping.
Mm-hmm. No.
Just gotta let it fall. You have to let it relax. Good. Got a little bit there. Did that go down to the butt?
My coccyx.
Did that go down to the coccyx?
I don't know what it did.
And you already like moved right when I set you up. All right, I'm gonna have you flip to the other side. Yeah.
Oh, it just did it when I moved.
Did it really? Yeah. See, just even getting her set up in that position, she's already moving that easily.
It's hilarious.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, she moved very easily with that. All right, I'm gonna have you lay flat on your back for me.